guys, Seeing it from YouTube channel Damn Guitar, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the Apple Apple TV, the H390 Logitech USB headphones, and last but not least the Dover A1580595 Hdmi, which is 2 meters. Today I'll be unboxing these, and the reason I got these is for my YouTube and that's because I'm actually using QuickTime Player now, but I have to have a mic. How with headphones. Before those, also you using these Panasonic ones. With no headphones. So yeah, that's the reason I got those. My dad had recently bought this Apple TV and the HDMI port. So yeah, let's waste no time and let's get straight into it. I think what I'll unbox first, here's the Apple TV. So yeah, this is just the original Apple TV, straight from Hdmi. So yeah. Now, how would you? Okay, I'm like a dork at doing this kind of stuff. If I just cut a hole. Okay. I just had to use some scissors. Right. Undo all of this. TV. So yeah, this is just the normal original Apple TV, straight from Apple. Right. I've got Apple TV in the box. So of course it comes with a remote, and you have to plug it into your TV, and that's why my dad and got had that HDMI port. So yeah, now let's unbox this, shall we? I'll just get my camera into the position, and so yeah, let's unbox this. Right. Okay, now how does that? Okay, I'm a dork at doing these things, you know. Oh, how does that just slide out? Okay, how does these? Okay, if you're watching this, Hamish, I know you probably exactly know how to unbox these, but yeah, I know what an Apple TV. Oh, like that. That's what I was thinking. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, there's the Apple TV there. Right, here we go. So yeah, and we come across the Apple TV, so it just lies on. So yeah, here is our black shimmery Apple TV. So here, the Apple TV here. And now let's wait for this moment and let's get into our contents. Now, of course, with this comes with your Apple TV remote. There's that there's an aluminium design, which is quite nice actually. Oh, this feels nice in the hand. Oh, this feels really nice in the hand, man. And since this all aluminium, they had to put this in here, I think. And so let it go through. And let's get started to the other content. Now, is that it? No, there's still more. Okay, guys. So this one comes with your, of course, just your wall adapter and your plug-in. For this. So of course that your cord and Apple TV quick start guide. So here it says Apple TV setup guide. Just pull that across and pull this here. Apple TV guide, and of course your Apple stickers, the Apple TV, and the Apple TV quick start guide. So let's move away all of this kind of stuff. Let's move away all of this kind of stuff, and let's get to the importance of this video. Apple TV. Well, of course, this Apple TV. Right. So let's start with this remote. So of course, menu and play in your bottom. Buttons. There's this aluminum design, and now let's get to the Apple TV. So yeah, take off all this plastic. Looks really nice. So here was our Apple TV. Now, of course, this here is so sticky. Whew, man, that's a nice design, man. Well job, Apple. So here was our Apple TV. Now, of course, it's in the black version, designed by Apple in California. The Apple logo, Apple TV. And so here, here's all our ports, like that. For this, that just plugs in there. HDMI port and the optical audio, and so yeah. And so that's the Apple TV done. And now let's get to the let's get to the Logitech headphones. Right guys, hey, so yeah. And now let's get to the HDMI connector for this. I guess what you do is you just, here we go, like a boss, here we go. Box that here. And here's your kind of blackish HDMI ports. So yeah, now let's just take out these. Here we go, here. Here's your HDMI ports. Now of course this is a big 2 meter long headphone port. Hey, so yeah. 2 meters. So yeah, here's all the stuff. 2 HDMI gold-plated 19-pin male connectors. Compatible with 3D signals, high-density multiple shields, maximum interface reduction, and so yeah, and that's big thing, 2 meters. Hey, so yeah, and that's all of that done. And now let's get to actually undoing this. No, I'm pretty sure I haven't done this before. Oh, here we go. And so yeah, and here was our, another one. Where is, here, ow. Okay, I'm pretty sure you just twist and turn with these. Right, there we go. And so yeah, here's our HDMI port. Hey, so let's take away all of this, and now let's get to the last thing, the the Logitech headphones. Guys, so now let's get to the H390 over-the-head design Logitech headphones. Now I think that these are the same opening design as a HDMI port. Let's see, how do you? Oh man, I'm gonna need some scissors here. Sorry guys, I have baddest fingernails. I'm just gonna. Okay, does that snap? Okay, guys. Okay, guys. After I'm come back to. I see you soon. Bye. Now, guys. Sorry about that. I just have to get some scissors. So yeah. Now let's get the headphones. Wait. So you see the scissors. Oh my god. Okay, this is the worst unboxing ever. I'll just have to do this. Yeah, okay. I'm sorry guys, I'm not showing this. I just have to get this away. Oh, there she is. Oh my god, there she is. Okay, so here is the Logitech headphones. Now, of course, this comes with USB adapter. Now, quick start guide. So yeah, just a little quick start guide. Now of course the USB cable, USB port. Oh yeah, it is the USB port that you plug into your computer for this. Now just undo all of this. Right. So here we go. Here's our black USB port. And now let's get to the star of the show, the Logitech headphones. Oh man, I can just. Yeah, I can. Sorry guys, I'm not showing this, but like, this is just a massive product. I can't really fit it on my tiny little desk. Right guys, so here we go. Here is the Logitech headphones. Now of course it's kind of a gaming thing, so just pull that down, and here we go. The Logitech headphones. Now of course this is exactly the same thing as like the HDMI port that we just unboxed. Now okay, my shoulder's hurting. Okay, I'll just move some stuff on the Apple TV away. Right, here we go. Okay, I think, okay, where's my scissors? Where did I put my scissors? No, it's fine. I don't need my scissors. Now just that. Here we go. Okay, so yeah, here is our USB cable for us. Now let's put all this aside, and now let's get to what make this and also there's headphone pair. So of course there's the USB connection. The USB connection. The USB connection. Clear digital stereo experience, superior clarity. The noise cancelling microphone which reduces any background noise, and that will help me out loss. And of course the adjustable headband. And this adjustable headband right here. See? The adjustable headband there. Okay, so yeah, and that's everything I want to unbox in this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did and you want to see more unboxings and tech videos and guitar videos and vlogs, please make sure to smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and comment, say good stuff. Hey, and so yeah, it's Hayden Epperson from the Damn Guitar Sound, and always keep calm and play guitar. See you guys.